Dear viewers, today we shall solve a problem. Here the problem is taken from tangent normal. Here the problem is if the normal at any point of an ellipse whose equation is x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1 cuts the major axis and minor axis at L and M respectively, and also C is the center of the ellipse. Then we have to find out the value of a square CL square plus b square CM square equal to what is the value of a square CL square plus b square CM square. Now let us start the solution. Here at first we draw the diagram of the ellipse whose equation is given by x square over x square plus y square over b square equal to 1. Here this is minor axis and this is major axis. This is the diagram of the ellipse, and at any point P is normal is drawn, that is at first we draw the tangent at P and then we draw the normal at P to the tangent. So, this is the normal. This is the normal which cuts the major axis. This is major axis, this is major axis, and this is minor axis. Major axis at cut the major axis at L and minor axis at M. This is minor axis and this is major axis. The normal cut the major axis at L and minor axis at M, and C is the center of the ellipse. Equation of ellipse is given by x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1. Firstly, we find the equation. We shall find the equation of normal. Also, normal is a straight line. Now, how we can find the equation of a straight line? If we know about the straight line of some parameters, that is, one is its gradient and other is its any fixed point. Here the fixed point is given as P, that is, P is arbitrary point. We can choose this arbitrary point as a cos theta, b sin theta, and fixed point we have got as a cos theta, b sin theta. Then we have to find the value of gradient of the normal, that is Pm. PLM is the normal. We have to find out the gradient of the normal PLM, that is a line PLM. And to find out the gradient of this normal, we have to take in the differentiation of this curve with respect to x, where we can get the gradient of tangent and also the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the tangent is the gradient of normal. So, here we differentiate these equations, that is equation of the curve ellipse. We get, after differentiation we get dy dx equal to minus b square a square into x over y. This is the gradient of the tangent to the ellipse, that is, the ellipse is x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1. This is the gradient of the tangent. So, gradient of the normal gradient of normal is negative reciprocal of the gradient of tangent, that is minus dx dy equal to a square y over b square x. Also at gradient at a cos theta b sin theta equal to a square b sin theta over b square a cos theta, that is a sin theta over b cos theta. This is the gradient of the normal at a cos theta b sin theta. So, we can get the equation of normal. So, equation of normal can be easily found. Equation of normal is y minus y1, that is fixed point coordinate is a cos theta b sin theta, y minus b sin theta equal to gradient is got as a sin theta by b cos theta. So, gradient is a sin theta b cos theta into x minus a cos theta. This is the equation of the normal at P. So, b cos theta minus b square sin theta cos theta equal to b also y and x a sin theta minus a square sin theta cos theta, that is a x sin theta plus minus b y cos theta equal to a square minus b square sin theta cos theta. This is the equation of the normal at P. This is the equation of the normal at P. Now, we can take the intercept form of the straight line. Normal is a straight line. So, we can get the intercept form of the straight line. We reduce this equation to intercept form. Reducing this equation to intercept form, we get x over a square minus b square cos theta over a minus y over a square minus b square sin theta over b equal to 1. This is the intercept form of this normal. So, we can get the coordinate of L. Coordinate of L is a square minus b square cos theta over a 0, and coordinate of M is a square minus b square sin theta over b, and also x coordinate is 0. This is the coordinate of L and M. This is the coordinate of L and M. So, coordinate of C is also origin, that is 0 0. So, Cl equal to, we can get Cl equal to A square Cl square, A square Cl square plus B square Cm square equal to A square Cl. Cl equal to this, that is x coordinate of the point L is the length of the Cl. So, length of the Cl is the x coordinate of L, that is A square minus B square over A cos theta. So, Cl square is A square minus B square square cos square theta over A square plus B square into Cm. Cm is the y coordinate of m, that is y coordinate of m is the length of Cm, that is y coordinate of m is A square minus B square sin theta by B. So, Cm is also the y coordinate of m, that is A square minus B square sin theta by B, that is A square minus B square square sin square theta over B square. These are cancelled out. So, we get A square minus B square square into cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to A square minus B square whole square into 1, that is A square minus B square whole square. This is the value of A square Cl square plus B square Cm square. So, we have found the value of the term A square Cl square plus B square Cm square, and this value is the value of this term we have got as A square minus B square whole square. So, thus we have find out the value of A square Cl square plus B square Cm square. Thanks for watching this video. See you next week.